When it comes to starting your day off right, breakfast is key. It sets the tone for the rest of your day and can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know what to choose. That's why I'm here to share some healthy breakfast ideas that will not only fuel your body, but also taste delicious. First up, let's talk about oatmeal. This classic breakfast option is a great source of fiber and can help keep you feeling full throughout the morning. You can customize your oatmeal with toppings like fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey for added sweetness. Another option is to make overnight oats, which can be prepared the night before and enjoyed cold in the morning. If you're looking for a protein-packed breakfast, consider making a smoothie. You can blend together ingredients like Greek yogurt, spinach, banana, and almond milk for a nutritious and filling meal. Adding protein powder or nut butter can also help boost the protein content of your smoothie. Plus, you can easily take it on the go if you're in a rush. Eggs are another great option for a healthy breakfast. They are a good source of protein and can be prepared in a variety of ways. You can make scrambled eggs, an omelet, or even hard-boiled eggs for a quick and easy meal. Pair your eggs with whole grain toast and avocado for a well-rounded breakfast that will keep you satisfied until lunch. For those who prefer a sweeter breakfast, consider making a yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, fresh fruit, and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and nutritious meal. You can also add chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. If you're in the mood for something savory, try making avocado toast. Mash up half an avocado and spread it on whole grain toast. Top it with a sprinkle of sea salt, red pepper flakes, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a simple and satisfying breakfast. You can also add a poached egg on top for added protein. For a more indulgent breakfast option, consider making whole grain pancakes or waffles. You can use whole wheat flour or oat flour to make them healthier. Top your pancakes or waffles with fresh fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of maple syrup for a delicious treat that won't derail your healthy eating goals. If you're short on time in the morning, consider making a batch of breakfast muffins or bars ahead of time. You can make them with ingredients like oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit for a portable and nutritious breakfast option. Simply grab one on your way out the door for a quick and easy meal. No matter what you choose to eat for breakfast, it's important to make sure you're fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods that will keep you energized throughout the day. By incorporating a variety of whole foods into your morning routine, you can set yourself up for success and promote good health in the long run. So next time you're deciding what to eat for breakfast, consider trying one of these healthy options. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll be well on your way to starting your day off right. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it count.